Hi there. Today I'll show you how to add a meta title and meta description to a post or page in WordPress, step by step, using a popular SEO plugin. It's super simple, but many people skip this step. And that's a shame because it has a real impact on how your post appears in Google search results. Let's start with the basics. The meta title is the page title that appears in search engine results. The meta description is a short summary shown right below the title. It helps users understand what your page is about before clicking. These two elements create the first impression. If they're well written, they can increase your click-through rate, even if your site ranks lower. Many users actually scroll past ads and SEO-heavy results. That's why it's so important to write a good title and description. Now here's the thing. By default, WordPress doesn't let you add custom meta titles or descriptions to individual posts or pages. If you skip this step, Google decides what to show, and it may pick a random paragraph or heading, so it's much better to choose what people will see. To do that, we'll use a plugin like Yoast SEO. First, log into your WordPress admin panel. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for Yoast SEO. Install and activate it. Next, open any post or page or create a new one. Scroll down to the SEO settings section. Here you'll find fields to enter your meta title and meta description. The plugin will also show you a character limit and tips for what to include. It even gives real-time feedback, like if your title is too long or missing keywords. Once you're happy with the result, click Update or Publish. That's it. Now you're in control of what Google shows in search results. And trust me, this small step can make a big difference. If you'd like more tips about WordPress or SEO, leave a comment. I'll be happy to create more helpful content just for you. Talk to you soon.